Today, we are going to review LipoMax drops. LipoMax drops are marketed as a natural fat-burning formula you take under the tongue. The company claims it helps boost metabolism, curb appetite, and improve energy levels. It's usually advertised alongside a low-calorie diet, which is an important detail a lot of people miss. Some users report feeling less hungry, having more energy, and noticing faster weight loss when paired with a strict diet. Now, the flip side, there isn't much scientific evidence backing LipoMax drops specifically. Results vary a lot. Some people lose weight, while others see no change. It's also not a magic solution. You still need to eat healthy and exercise. Plus, the price is a bit steep compared to standard supplements. So would I recommend it? Honestly, if you're looking for a quick fix, this probably isn't it. It might help as a part of a disciplined diet and lifestyle, but don't expect miracles. Always check with your doctor before starting any supplement. For most people, the basics, balanced nutrition, exercise, and consistency are still the most effective way to lose weight.